Use a vegan, but you going ham. Yeah.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Pretty Brown Vegan, the place for plant-based comfort foods. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I came together with these delicious vegan jumbo lump crab cakes. I really feel like I was able to capture that seafood flavor, that seafood essence with some of the flavorings that were added into the mix. It really just came out truly delicious. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made this, go ahead and stay tuned. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are going to go ahead and be getting started with some hearts of palm. I just took a can of hearts of palm and I went ahead and drained it. And then I'm just taking each piece individually and just shredding it with a fork. It's so light in texture that you literally can just cut it up with a fork. So I'm just scraping it apart and then just roughly chopping it up with a fork. Nothing too special or crazy. You can use a knife if you would like, but just to save time, I'm just using a fork here. Once you get the full can shredded, we are going to go ahead and start with our mix. So I am going to take some vegan mayo here and get that into a bowl. I use about 1/4 cup of that. And then I use just under a cup of crushed saltine crackers. And I use a 1/2 pack of seaweed snacks. You can get that at Walmart, anywhere. And then we do add in some fresh herbs here, like some oregano. I add in a little bit of parsley as well, and then we just season it up with everything that I added here on the screen. I know it's going a little quick, but I will have the full list down below in the comment section. I do season everything to taste, but for me, I mix everything together and then I came back and I tasted and adjusted. I also add in some plant-based honey dijon, which is just some Dijon mustard that I added some maple syrup to make it have that honey Dijon flavor. And then this is plant-based Worcestershire sauce that I got from Whole Foods. They do have some with no anchovies added. And then just to pull everything together, I am using a vegan powdered egg replacement. I use 1 serving of that. The sun is high and I wanna rise right. And then once you get everything roughly combined, that's when I come together with the hearts of palm. And then I also didn't roughly chop them too much earlier, because once you start mixing this together and getting it combined, it starts to break up a little bit here too. So it will all just break up and come together and just give you that nice lump crab texture.
Baby, oh, I'm not much of a talker. Baby, oh, can I drink from your water? Baby, oh.
So we are going to go ahead and get started with a rimmed baking dish. And then I take a stick of butter and I just grease the bottom of the dish. And I was able to form 3 jumbo size patties from this mixture that I put together here. And so we're just going to go ahead and get that going. And then we are going to put this in a preheated oven at about 425. You're just going to leave it in the oven until they get nice and crispy and brown on the exterior. I think I left mine in for about 15 minutes, and then I wanted them a little more brown on the top, so I hit them with a broil until they got a little bit of a few, dark spots. I just feel like it's just so good when you bite into it, and it's that little bit of crunch, crispiness on the edge, and it's nice and soft in the middle. And then I took a stick of plant butter and I just melted that down, and I just poured that right on top. And then I do garnish this with a little more fresh dill. And I also squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on top. I just feel like it gives it that nice flavor. That's completely optional. And that was it, y'all. It's really easy and simple and super delicious. If you're just craving like a seafood dish, you can have this on its own. You can have it with some rice. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. Again, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next one.